If you are working on real estate industry, this mobile application will be very helpful for you. The mobile application should remind you that today you have follow-up, like exactly what is on the screen. The mobile application is called Aqaraty. It is a part of ERPPlus, complete ERP, not only for real estate, but it is focusing on real estate. Here we have the mobile application features. Starting from, we have leads. The leads comes directly from the marketing team, from the lead generation campaigns we are working and running online. This will send you the notification that you have a new customer assigned to you directly. And here you can check the data of the customer completely. And then you can directly call him, you can check the location, you can send email, you can add contacts. You may have a lead with multiple data or multiple contacts, like his wife, like a driver, like he has another numbers, so you can add it directly from here, and then this will be assigned to the same account to avoid any duplication of the customer. This will facilitate a lot the direct communication with the contacts of the customer and to avoid the duplication. If I have something related to the location to the customer, this directly reflects the real location of the customer of the registration, so I can check it in which country, in which place. This is directly from the contact of the location. Meanwhile, we have another kind of communication like WhatsApp. This will directly to the mobile number of the customer without saving his number. So this will be one of the main features you can use. You can directly call him, drive to the customer location, and all features allowed for you to directly contact the customer or the lead generated from the campaign directly to your own mobile application. This was the first option of the leads generation, and the lead management comes from the campaigns. But we have something called lead request. Lead request is the request by the customer. The lead is just to manage the contacts and the customer account and the contacts of the customer. And here is the requests. This means that each customer may have more than one lead request. So you are following the lead requests, not the lead only. You can start following up with the customer, either it is for sold units, for selling units, or for renting units. All will be the same lead management. First, you can follow up directly with the customer with the different projects, with the different apartments, with different villas, with different shops, whatever the kind of the product of the real estate you are working on. So this will be a follow-up by the whole sales team working on the same lead request. Mainly, we have another option of the visits. So the customer can visit your location, can visit you on the prem, can check with the sales, so you can add every single details related to that sales order or lead request, whatever you call it. Finally, it's the concept of the lead has many requests like this, so you can follow everything from here. And then you have some filters here like the archived lead requests and the whole lead requests, or the active based on your privileges. Finally, our objective is to follow up every single detail happen to let you know what should be the next follow-up, because this will reflect directly to the notification we have got here. So the system is going to remind you every day that you have today follow-up, not to miss any of the follow-ups should be done for the day. Another option, we have something related to the statistics of the lead requests. What is the status of each, what is the major status of each, and I can check it directly by clicking here. This will give you the contacts directly related to that classification we have just checked. This is the sales funnel of the sales presentation, got offer, follow up, and something like this. This is the resource orders related to the marketing sources, with the statistics of how many customers we have got from Facebook, how many customers we have got from YouTube, and so on. Employees leads, This will be a representation for the customer distribution to the sales team to start penetrating who has many customers to follow up. Finally, but not the last thing, we have here calendar to check and follow up with you what is the leads requests you have for today, you have for next day, you have for next week, so you can check everything in your calendar based appearance. And here you have another button, just click on add here. This will give you directly access to add a follow-up directly to the customer, to have follow-up after follow-up, so you will never lose opportunity with a customer. Another thing, we have something related to the units management. If you don't have the availability of the units as a sales on the real time when you are calling a customer, this will be very big problem, because the unit may be rented, may be sold, whatever you are selling or renting. So I need to have on my pocket, on my mobile application, directly the units, and I can check something like hold to the unit to give the inventory management request that I need to hold this unit. So you have another thing with the reserved. You may check, you are looking for a unit but it is not on the available. If you have the privilege to check the reserved, the sold, the whole, or the blocked, you may have blocking some units not to be for sale right now because you have a season and you need to block some units. So this is just to check the availability of the units by searching for each one of this. Another thing is you can check by master plan. Master plan, this will give you a full plan for the availability of the units in one place. Another option, which is the master plan. Master plan is going to show you the availability of the units in green dots. Green dots means that we have available units at this place. Either it is for renting or for selling. So you can check the catalog of the units from here, and then you can check the unit directly from here and share it directly to the customer, WhatsApp, to the customer contact, whatever you want, and just send it, and that's it. You send the full information already stored with the catalog of PDF or with pictures directly to the customer. This is another example. If you have villas, you may have a lot of pictures for that. Either it is for rent or selling. You can directly share this unit to the customer with the data from this place, directly to the WhatsApp, directly to the Gmail, to whatever the way you want to share with the customer directly from your own mobile application. Now we checked most of the features on the mobile application. Don't forget to check changing your password, because this feature is just for you to guarantee that you are the only one who can see the leads related to you, and then you can add your own leads and your own lead request directly from your own mobile application. The support part is just to show you and show your sales team what is the video should be available for my sales team to demonstrate how to use the application, or directly contact the first line support inside the company itself using email or phone number. Finally, if you have Arabian audience or Arabian sales in your team, they can use the interface in Arabic directly. It is completely working in Arabic as well as working in English. So final thing is the dark mode. You can use it. Some people, some sales like to use the dark mode because it is saving power and something related to the consumption of the battery. So now we have a full explanation of our mobile application Aqaraty. It is related to ERPPlus, and you can manage everything directly from here. Thank you for listening for us today. If you have any questions, any comments, please raise it directly in comments and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you.